Let's solve 10 questions together. Take your abacus and get ready. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's begin. 2 plus 2 plus 9. 1, 2. 1, 2 plus 9. Take 1. Add 10. Answer is 13. 6 plus 9 plus 1. 6, 9, take 1, add 10 plus 1. Answer is 16. 3 plus 8 plus 1. 1, 2, 3 plus 8, take 2, add 10 plus 1. Answer is 12. Next, 2 plus 8 plus 6. 2 plus 8, take 2, add 10 plus 6. Answer is 16. Next, 2 plus 9 plus 6. 2, add 9, take 1, add 10 plus 6. Answer is 17. 8 plus 8 plus 3. 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 8, take 2, add 10 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Answer is 19. 2 plus 5 plus 9. Set 2, add 5 plus 9, take 1, add 10. Answer is 16. 3 plus 5 plus 8. Set 3, add 5 plus 8, take 2, add 10. Answer is 16. 2 plus 6 plus 8. Set 2 plus 6, 5, 6 plus 8, take 2, add 10. Answer is 16. Did you solve it? Try this again and improve your speed. Like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye-bye.